I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour of Malgrat De Mar Beach, Barcelona. In this video, we will be exploring the magnificent beauty of this stunning beach in 4K Kelvin resolution and 60 frames per second. So, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more amazing travel content like this. Malgrat De Mar Beach is a popular destination for tourists who are looking for a relaxing and picturesque beach vacation.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
This breathtaking beach is located in the province of Barcelona, in the Catalonia region of Spain. With its crystal clear waters, golden sands, and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea, Malgrat De Mar Beach is truly a sight to behold. As we take a stroll along the beachfront, you will be amazed by the sheer size and beauty of this beach. The soft sands under your feet, the soothing sound of the waves crashing on the shore, and the gentle sea breeze blowing through your hair, it's a sensory experience like no other. We will start our journey from the northern end of the beach, where you can see the picturesque lighthouse towering over the coastline. The beach's stunning natural beauty, crystal clear waters, and charming beachfront cafes and restaurants make it the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. So, don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what you think of this stunning beach. And as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!